An aquarium makes a great focal point and gathering place in the home and provides a fun activity for the whole family. Explore fantastic range of fish tanks and aquariums to give your fishes a beautiful place to swim around by needing the simple ingredients, i.e. cement, old tires, plastic pipes, flowers, etc. A cement fish tank is a greater practical and value-effective way to introduce aquatic lifestyles to your own home. Aquariums can also produce focus and creativity in your kids about nature, and caring for one helps. A drum trolley is designed to improve the speed and efficiency with which weight can be transported from one location to another. Importantly, it reduces the risk of injury to workers and improves health and safety levels in homes and at industrial environments. The most efficient tools, drum stands, can be loaded and transported by one man in a safe, ergonomic way to trip, drain and store steel drums.